Hi guys, welcome to a new video. So today we're going to look at this portulacaria afra lilliput. It's got kind of a twisted trunk style to it. I put some wire on it. I did a video on it. I think it was a couple months ago, 2 or 3 months maybe. I'll link that in the description below, and I might show a little clip of it here in the corner. But I haven't looked at it really since then. It's just been sitting on the shelf growing. So I thought I'd get it off, put it on the table here, and kind of see what's going on, and if I'm happy with the initial styling I did to it, see if there's any tweaks I need to make, maybe do some light pruning just to clean it up to see what's going on. So let's get to it. So the first thing I'm seeing is I think this is my front, just because it kind of loops back here and then comes back out to what I think is the front, because it's kind of leaning towards the front, which is what I like my trees to do. I put this bend in it. It's kind of a modified corkscrew type look, just to add some front to back depth, because it was initially just a straight stick with branches on it. So I just added the movement to it just to make it a little more interesting. But I have this branch here that's, if this is the front, this branch is sticking straight out towards the front. So not really ideal. And I think maybe originally I was wanting to, I could bend that over and use it as kind of a side branch, but this branch up here is grown out. So that's almost a perfect position for that side branch. So I'm not sure this one really contributes anything. Plus, if we get rid of that, it would expose more of the trunk, just to make it a little more interesting. So I think we'll start with this. Take that off, and it opened it up a little bit. I think it looks pretty good. So let's see what else. Got some little nub to growing back here, which it's just not close to this branch. I really don't think we need that, so we'll get rid of that one. And then some of these that are close to the trunk on this branch, I think we'll get rid of those. Just so we can kind of see that branch coming out from the trunk a little bit and see what's going on. I've got this back branch. I usually don't like my back branches to be the first thing, when you're moving up from the bottom. I don't like the back branch to be the first branch. So I think we might go ahead and get rid of that guy too, because I have other back branches up here that gives it the depth. Get rid of that, clean the trunk up a little bit. So yeah, really opens it up, so you can see the trunk movement off to the, it's got this first branch here coming off to the left, goes up a little more, and you got the right branch, comes back. We've got these clusters back here for some depth towards the back. I've got this little branch here, which I think we still need. That would be pretty bare if I got rid of that. So I think we're going to keep that there for now. Let it get a little longer and see where it goes. I think we'll go ahead and trim this guy down. Just kind of see what that looks like. As long as I have my air gaps in between here that I like, I could change the bend in this a little bit to bring it up. Yeah, just gives that Opens that up a little bit. Now we have to decide what we're doing up here. My goal is to get, an overall triangle shape. So this branch is going to come out a little bit longer. And this one does too, a little bit. And then we need to get the top kind of filled in and more of a dome or a cone shape. Let's just take some of these down. See what we've got up here. I think I want to keep the height about here. Do that. We'll shorten this branch up. Nice maybe to get some of these leaves out of here just to open that up. So I'm kind of see what's going on in here. We've got a lot of congestion. This branch coming out here that adds to the congestion. Almost need to bend some of these branches down just to give that top more of a dome shape. Or hi guys, sorry for the cut off, but I ran out of storage space. My video cut a little short, and it looks like I was working up in here when the video cut off. So I just wanted to kind of come back on and kind of show you what I did. But I cleaned this area up in here a little bit. I took this branch off, and so it's just a lot cleaner. Brought the top down, so we've got that angular shape overall. Still need to have some of these grow out here, so but I think we're heading the right direction. Yeah, so this is kind of the goal. So this branch, I want it to come out to here. This side looks pretty good. This will come out a little bit farther. This will fill in, and then this back here, took one of the branches off, but then I left these two. We'll see if this one continues to grow well. If it does, we'll just use that one and take this other branch off. But so anyway, I just wanted to, since I saw that the video cut off, I just want to show you how it ended up. And then I'll be sure to update you guys as I move through this tree here in the next few months, to kind of see how it grows out. But again, sorry for the cutoff, but I did want to come back to show you kind of how it ended up. So here it is, and we will give you a quick spin around so you can take a look at the whole tree. There's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, there's the right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.